guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a origami. So let's get on with the video. So first you need a square piece of paper, something like this, but it doesn't need to be coloured, it can be only white. So first just fold it in half this way, so it's like a triangle. Now open it up and fold it the other way, just like this. Okay, so now you're going to open it up and it should look like this. Cross like that. And then just fold it into the, like all of the corners into the middle. Now it should look something like this. So turn it around and there should be like a plus sign. And then do the same thing. Just fold all of these into the middle. Now it should look like this. And now again, turn it around and then, okay, you don't really need to turn it around, but then just fold it in half just like this. Not really this part. And then again this way. So then when you open it back up, then you just take your hand and just slip in your these pockets, and here you go.